Hi everybody, it's Julia King here with King Financial Repair. I'm going to give you your weekly Wednesday tip. If you didn't know already that student loans are the number one biggest debt in the United States, more people owe student loans and aren't able to make those payments. Well, our lobbyists in Washington, D.C. have been working hard. They have been working very hard. There is now a program called Fresh Start. It's with any federal student loan. So anybody who has a federal student loan who hasn't made the payments in 30 years, 15, 3, it doesn't matter how long it's been. Even if you have gone in default before, guess what? You can get them fixed. It takes about 10 minutes. It's called Fresh Start. You can get all your student loans pulled off of your federal credit report that mortgage lenders are looking at called CAVERS. That's looking to see if anyone owes any federal debt before they get a federal loan for a mortgage. Also, all the late payments that were on your student loan account, even if they were in collections and you've already got out of default, do it now. Rumor is they're going to stop that as soon as payments become mandatory. So I've seen people go into Fresh Start, pay $5 or $50 a month, come out, and 30 days later, they're able to qualify for a home loan. So if you haven't checked it out, or if you need additional resources, or if you want more hand-holding to get your credit stuff done and you want us to take over the job for you, give us a call at 502-689-1001. I got 2 degrees. I had a lot of scholarship money because I graduated at 3.96 GPA. I also had the Pell Grant and other academic scholarships. I wound up owing $60,000 before I walked out of school. I continued to live like I was still in school for 3 years. I knocked off my student loans, got them paid off. You know, the right thing to do, pay off the debt before you start investing and doing things. But you know what? Life happens. People get sick, people lost jobs, people get divorces, they have babies. Life happens. And sometimes bad things happen to good people. And we're here to help you pick it up, clean it up. So give us a call at 502-689-1001.